what I want to do is I want to scale that down on the Y, 10% to 10%. So it goes like that. Then I want to fracture it with Voronoi, and quite a high cell count, 1000. It does actually fly pretty quick. So once that is done calculating, I'm going to scale it back. So instead of scaling it to 10%, I'm going to scale it back. So that would mean I'll have to add a 0 here to make it go back to the original scale. Why didn't that work? Okay, there it is. So that's the original, so to speak. So we'll have this one and that one. And the reason I chose to use Voronoi at that scale is because now that Voronoi chatter is going to look quite different from the regular stuff. Just move some of those parts out of the way, so you kind of like get the idea to what this will look like. So we'll chatter it, so in the end it will look, these parts will look much more like Splinter, really. Still, this is just way too big, isn't it? Way too big. So I think I'll do that over again. Yeah. So I think, you know what, I'll go with 4000 on that one. It doesn't really matter that the fracture tool in LightWave is not perfect. You could do something similar to this in layout, but yeah, it's harder to preview, and because you need to go back and forth between modeler layout. And also navigating in layout is not, the camera navigation is great, but navigating models in layout is not that great. If you want to zoom into areas of the model in layout, that's not that cool. Okay, so let's try this again. Add a 0. Okay. Okay, we got some what's called stray points. You could delete that, or you could smooth that out. Let's see. In this case, I think I'll just delete it, honestly. Also delete 2-point polygons. What's that? No, I think it's cool. Here, what happened with that one? Let's try that over again, or try that with this one and just smooth it. Doesn't want to do that, eh? Okay, it does, but you really need a really high setting, very high setting. Okay, so, but I don't want to show you how to repair this stuff. Just wanted to show you really that this is how you can shatter it using Voronoi and get those long pieces instead of getting these kind of shapes that Voronoi usually will give you. So if you were to split that tree or fracture that tree using Voronoi without scaling it, it would have chunks that look like this. It wouldn't look great. It would look kind of strange. But yeah, you could continue doing this, but or experimenting with this, but just wanted to show you how that works, how you can go about it.